Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into Stifel's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Stifel's performance, especially given the impressive results they've posted this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Stifel reported net revenues of $1.2 billion for the third quarter of 2024, a 17% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in net revenue is primarily driven by higher investment banking and asset management revenues. Investment banking revenues alone increased by 66% year over year, thanks to a surge in capital raising and advisory revenues. This indicates strong client activity and successful execution of their strategic initiatives.
And what about profitability? How did Stifel perform in terms of net income and earnings per share?
Stifel's net income available to common shareholders was $149.2 million, translating to an earnings per share of $1.34. This is a significant improvement from $58.8 million or 52 per share in the same quarter last year. The increase in profitability is a testament to their operational efficiencies and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Stifel's pre-tax margin improved to 17.7%. What does this tell us about their cost structure?
The improvement in pre-tax margin reflects Stifel's disciplined approach to managing expenses. Their compensation ratio remained stable at 58.6%, while the non-compensation ratio decreased to 23.7%. This indicates that they are effectively controlling costs while still investing in growth areas.
CEO Ronald Kruszewski mentioned a positive outlook for the future. Can you elaborate on that?
Certainly. CEO Kruszewski highlighted the momentum in their business and expects further upside in both revenue and earnings in the fourth quarter and into 2025. This optimism is based on the continued growth in their global wealth and institutional businesses, as well as the stabilization of net interest income.
Global wealth management and institutional group performance. Moving on to specific segments. How did global wealth management and the institutional group perform this quarter?
Global Wealth Management reported record net revenues of $827.1 million, up from $768.6 million last year. This was driven by a 20% increase in client assets to $496.3 billion. On the institutional side, revenues surged to $372.4 million, a significant jump from $256.9 million, thanks to a 41% increase in advisory revenues.
What does this mean for Stifel's competitive positioning?
These results underscore Stifel's strong market position and ability to attract and retain high-value clients. The growth in advisory revenues, in particular, highlights their expertise and reputation in providing strategic financial advice.
Shareholder returns and capital management. Let's discuss shareholder returns. Stifel repurchased $20.2 million of its common stock and declared a dividend of 42 per share. How does this reflect on their capital management strategy?
Stifel's share buyback and dividend increase demonstrate their commitment to returning value to shareholders. The tangible book value per share increased by 12% to $33.62, and their Tier 1 capital ratio stands at a robust 15.0%, indicating a strong capital position to support future growth and shareholder returns.
How does this impact investor confidence?
These actions are likely to boost investor confidence as they reflect a well-capitalized company with a clear strategy for growth and shareholder value enhancement. The consistent dividend and buyback program signal financial stability and a positive outlook.
Key takeaways. In summary, Stifel has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2024, with significant growth in revenue and earnings. Their strategic initiatives in investment banking and wealth management are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Stifel's investment prospects?
Stifel's robust financial performance and strategic positioning make it an attractive investment. The company's ability to capitalize on market opportunities and maintain operational efficiency bodes well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion and shareholder return strategies.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Stifel's performance in the comments below. Until next time.